coming to us.
I think this is worse than timeout.
Well, you have no interest in the
Oh, there she comes.
She's like, it's wide enough, it's good. Did it look like the
She
cat
was
that
like
was giving
this.
birth?
She's like, oh, look at me.
I'm surprised when she came out, it didn't make a little noise.
I do never see any cockney goths.
That's too cheerful.
And how come we never see goths driving cars?
Yeah, we drive cars. We're just like you, really.
Where are you
Except
hiding
we
behind
listen to
me?
Cradle of Filth.
Where are you going?
Filth, I presume that's
Going?
It's not literally a cradle of filth.
Oh my
Oh no, that
goodness.
would be horrible.
Are you watching me with my cat?
Mm-hmm.
Cradle of Filth are actually one of
Kind
the
of
best contemporary
inappropriate,
dark web
isn't
bands
it?
in the
You're
world.
tired, aren't you?
I never forget the first time I heard them. Changed my life. Blew my mind.
Oh.
It was lucky I discovered them when I did. Because it was around that time that things started to go wrong for me at work. I don't know what happened. Suddenly, people just weren't returning my calls. People seemed distracted. Distant. I couldn't put my finger on it. But something was wrong. I'll tell you. It was good to have the filth to come home to after another disappointing day.
You've got to help Roy. Richmond's out of
Where are you going?
He's supposed to be in his
Are you going to my shorts? Oh my goodness! What a big sneeze!
Roy's stuck underneath the lady's desk.
Oh, buddy girl.
Look, I know that normally this would be very funny, but he's been under there.
Where are you going?
That one looks down to go to assume he's a desk rabbit.
What's a desk rabbit?
I just made that up.